Hello guys, I'm Agatha Valentino Ginting and I'm from is MA4 class and I'm a Descripts multi-tools advertisement. This is a multifunctional tool that can be used wherever and whenever you need it. It has a pliers and a screwdriver. It also has a knife, a tinker, and a bottle opener, a screwdriver. Everything you will need is here, only 198 key. Although these multi-tools function of the useful of multi-tools, there are deficiency in terms of material that cannot be used for objects that exceed the cutting capacity or according to their function. In terms of price, as multi-tools differs according to the item to be given. For example, multi-tools has a hammer while multi-tools B does not have a hammer. For this term is a slight difference in price between others is not have screwdriver but has prices. So costing multi-tools, you should check the materials used for these tools and cost tools that really work in the daily life. Thank you.